Hello students, how are you? This video is for just a small appeal to all of you, basically for those students who are going to appear in June 20, November 20 and May 21. As I watch today's case, their today's only positive case has risen up to approx 1400, creating a very serious situation in future. It's my small recommendation, or you can say my small advice for you. Please try to think again for two things. One is you don't need to worry for your examination, either it is going to be in June or not, first of all. Second, whether it will postpone to November 90 or not. Second, please take care of yourself and your money. Again saying, take care of yourself and your money, because these two things is very essential to fight for COVID. Situation is going day by day worse, and money is one of your asset that can help you to fight against this situation in future. Almost all the faculties have provided their classes in YouTube. Try to utilize them in spite of spending money on different certificates program or any other things. Let me clear you one thing, even those students who studied with self study, who do self study, they can also pass. Many students are passing who never took any classes, but in front of you in today's modern age there is social networking power that you can take different faculties class free of cost also. Try to utilize them in spite of wasting money. And third things, why I use money, because from last 6 to 7 days per day I listens with my friends. In many job company has started to cut off employees, or they are started paying reduced salary. You never know what will be the percentage of reduced salary. Reduced salary is not 10 to 20%. They are going to cut reduced salary by 40 to 45%. Many companies had sent their employees in unpaid leave, that means leave without salary, until and unless the situation don't come normal. Now you can think once, for those families who have only source of income is from job, how they will survive if this situation goes in future for 2 to 3 months. In spite of thinking just for 15 to 16 days, please think for 2 to 3 months how they will survive. So you being a student, you being a pillar of the future economy, try to think this one again and try to utilize the resource that are available free of cost to you. Try to utilize them. Second things, I am saying that now ICI is to playing a key role in our path. In student path, ICI has playing fantastic role, trust me. From 22 April, they are providing you revision classes. I personally recommend to all of you to appear in that class. They are basically for June 20 appearing students. You must need to appear in that, because just in 2 to 3 days they are completing their per subject, they are completing per subject. It means might be in 20 days they will give you, if students are appearing in both group, then might in 20 days you can complete your 8 group, 8 subject. Or those who are giving single group, might be in maximum to maximum 10 to 12 days they are completing your group. And each ICI's faculties, they are experienced, they are coming to teach you, might help you. Even you are already knowledgeable, they might give you something extra, little extra, assume 5 to 10%. This is not going to be harm for you. Okay, please watch this, maybe you get several benefits from that, or might be some important topic which they teach you, you feel more comfortable to boost up for your examination. Again I will say you try to get support of all the free resources available in today's social networking age. Also, as already I have said you in earlier video that after completion of your examination in 3 to 4 of July, I think we had decided to provide you all of you some skill based videos, skill based related to what that in today's market recruiters demand, because due to COVID-19 situation is going very worse in job area also. There will be a collision between skill and labor. So, that is the future things, not to worry for that. And even for your examination I am saying not to get so much worry, just I am requesting you to utilize all the free resources which is available in YouTube, which is available to in different others social networking site, in spite of wasting money. Okay. uh, thank you for watching. I wish God keeps each and every person safe and happy, because situation is now only in our God help, God health, God hand. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe our channels. As I am seeing that almost now 85% of our viewer had not subscribed our channels. Earlier it was 90%, but now 5% had subscribed it. Thank you so much for watching.